Hello YouTube, long time no see. I am preparing for my big Porcupine Mountains workshop where we'll be exploring the Lake of the Clouds overlook, some of the awesome waterfalls of the Upper Peninsula, including Bond Falls, and this really awesome area called Copper Peak. It is an old school ski jump that we got special access to, so I'm really excited about that. Just knocked out a quick Costco run. I'm headed up to the UP because it looks like it might be a pretty sketchy weekend when it comes to clouds. So we're gonna do our best to try and find clear skies and stay relatively close to the Airbnb, but it looks like it might be a little cloudy weekend, so we'll get prepared for taking some nice moody panoramas. Let's get going.
Got the Mackinac Bridge, driving over right now, making good time. All right, we finally got some blue skies, some sun. About dang time. So we are about 1 hour away from the Lake of the Clouds overlook. We just went through some rain. Looks like it's clearing over here, so thankfully it looks like the forecast is going to come true, so hopefully it'll be clear all night tonight and I'll be able to get this epic shot that I've been wanting for so god dang long. I'm so excited. We are here. I can't believe it's 7:20-ish and it just feels so nice out and it's so bright and it doesn't get dark until freaking midnight here. Astro Twilight does technically start at around 11, so I can probably start shooting around then for some interesting kind of bluish Milky Way stuff, but I digress. I don't even think the Milky Way's in the right position. I want it in until about 1 anyways. So we are here checking out Bonanza Falls. So I wanted to just kind of check this place out real quick because this is actually possibly one of the stops for our workshop. So let's check this out. Really nice little area here. There is no camping allowed. Nice little grill areas. So if I wanted to, I could just come down here for a picnic. But oh my god, this is just breathtaking. So many compositions that I want to try. As I gracefully come down here. I'm sure you can barely hear me because of the falls. Very bright. It's really harsh light right now. This is it. We gotta get down there. Alright. Man, this is awesome. Wow, 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 wow. I can't believe this. This is a fantastic spot. And right over here is north for the Northern Lights. And south is this way where the Milky Way is. Perfect. Well, there is another waterfall way back there that I'm gonna try and get some shots of, but the shadow of the sun is there. That's fine, whatever. But I don't really have a way to get over there to get like the best shot. I would love to get over where those tree branches are way over there, but I just don't have a way to get over there without putting on my waders and seeing how deep this water truly is. I'm just gonna get my 50mm out and see what I can do. So I'm pretty far away from that far waterfall and I'm currently shooting on 75mm and I gotta get real close to that waterfall, man. Well, I have made it to the Lake of the Clouds Overlook parking lot area. This is just the main area where you start walking in, and it started just sprinkling ever so slightly. So I'm here to check out the trails, and everything looks very easily, or very close, I guess I should say. So I can't wait to read these and learn more about it. A couple cool facts about the park is this Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park is the largest state park Michigan has. I think it was J.J. Hoffmeister. This was one of his favorite parks that he used to hike all the time, and he was a huge advocate for the state parks. And the Lake of the Clouds itself is 500 feet deep, and I'm really hoping that I can get some really nice reflections, because it was stated that the winds are pretty much blocked almost all the time on the lake. So I'm probably not going to get close enough to the lake itself to actually see any reflections, but that remains to be seen. Check out that rain cloud coming in. It's coming. We got a rainbow over here, but the lens is probably too wide. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just wow. Look at this light. Oh my God. Just look at the clouds. I can't wait for this bundle of clouds to go over the lake. Just wow. Rainbow here. Rainbow there. And you bet your butt I got a pano of that when it was a full arch. Just, I can't believe I'm here. This is awesome. Look at the reflections in the water. I think I'll get some stars tonight. This is going to be pretty incredible. I stand corrected. According to this, the lake is actually 15 feet deep, not 500 feet deep like the other sign said. I must have misinterpreted the other sign. Alright, so it's pretty dark now. You start to see some stars up there. It is Astro Twilight. It's about, I think, 10:45. I just checked. I'm leaving my tripod right there because that is where I took the foreground shots. And I will basically just attach my Benro Polaris and set that thing to just kind of do its automated panos. And then once I'm done with the sky shots, I'll probably maybe take a little selfie of myself with my flash and then blend it in, mask it, layer it in, whatever you want to call it. But down here, down this treacherous, not really treacherous, it's just the only reason it's a little sketchy is that it's wet. So, and it's a little, not really slick, but just being careful, you know? But I got my other camera right here, kind of blocked from the wind a little bit, this big rock. And I'm gonna have this doing a time lapse until, I don't know, the battery dies, maybe 2 or 3 o'clock. So I'm excited to see how that will turn out. But I think the core is just going to be just out of frame. But I will see the Great Rift ride.